Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KTOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red line annotation up here is coming from. And that is not an update, but just kind of a confirmation point that, yeah, going into next week, from an overall standpoint, $1.35 remains that overarching level of resistance. But after today's price movement, now that we have a little bit more data, a more so near-term level of resistance. So again, $1.35 is definitely still a level of resistance. But before you put too much focus on that, in the near term now, the price needs to get up here above that $1.20 mark. So $1.20 is definitely going to be that initial level to watch. But yeah, if the price can break above there, then at that point it makes more sense to then turn your attention back to the $1.35 mark. But in the very near term, until the price can first prove itself, then it's kind of irrelevant to be talking about $1.35. And again, quote unquote, prove itself, I am defining as staying up above and getting above that $1.25 mark, or excuse me, the $1.20 mark. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, everything is still perfectly fine. As I've talked about in past videos, it's all about that purple line right there, the very well-known, very famous 50-period moving average. And as I've said in past videos, as long as the price continues to stay up above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher like it'll continue to do, hence its name, a moving average, then everything is still perfectly fine. So yeah, today, price gapped down a little bit, just essentially went sideways. So maybe not the most exciting day, but overall, the chart is still perfectly healthy. The chart is still in an overall uptrend. And like I said, again, I'm trying to emphasize overall because I get it. From if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking really rough. But assuming you care about just the overall, grand scheme of things, then the overall trend remains bullish, and that'll be the case as long as the price stays above that purple line. But all in all, very, very impressive week. Let's see what this one has in store for next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.